Before getting into the video, let me just ask you a question. You are out for shopping and forgot to carry your wallet. Considering this an extreme case, even your phone ran out of battery. How are you going to pay the cashier? I know you would manage somehow, but for the sake of this video, what if I say you can pay with your watch? Any watch. Yes, you heard it right. You can pay with any watch, be it a latest smartwatch or a decade-old vintage collection. Without any further ado, let's get started with how to make any watch into a payment watch, and watch this video till the end to know everything about it. Now that you have clicked on this video, you might be wondering, how does this actually work? The trick here, my friend, is not in the watch, but instead in the watch strap. Trust me when I say this doesn't need any battery to work, and you can pay to any retailer that supports the tap and go or NFC payments. Step 1. Get a Titan Pay strap. Titan partnered with SBI to launch these NFC equipped watch straps that are available in 14, 20 and 22 mm sizes that would fit most of the watches available these days. They also have Titan Pay watches, but the outdated designs may not be of your choice. So I am going with a simple and cheaper approach of just ordering the Titan Pay watch strap and using it with any of your existing watches. Step 2. Register your watch strap with your bank account. You have to link your watch strap and a bank account through which the transaction will happen whenever you tap your watch to any contactless payment machine. As this is a partnership between Titan and SBI, currently you can link your watch with an SBI account only. Maybe in the future there might be support for other banks, but right now SBI is the only option. If you are already an SBI customer, download the YONO app. Once you log in, you can find My Variables in the account section or in the quick link section if you just scroll to the bottom of the login page. Here, you can link your watch strap with your bank account. You just have to click on Link Titan Pay Watch and enter the unique reference number you get with your watch strap that's printed inside the box. That's it. Your watch strap and your bank account are now linked, and you can use this strap with any watch to tap and pay. It's that simple. I don't know how much this matters to you, but a person like me who haven't used any cash for the past 4 years, it's a lifesaver. I used to rely on my phone most of the time, and that anxiety when the phone's battery falls below 10% is unexplainable. I would get a mini heart attack. I also have a 5-year-old Fossil 2nd generation Android smartwatch that doesn't even have a heart rate sensor and can't even expect it to support NFC and contactless payments. I usually pay with Samsung Pay on my phone that mimics all my physical credit and debit cards. All I need to do is just tap my phone to the POS machines. And those who don't accept cards, I pay with UPI through Google Pay, PhonePe or Paytm. From now on, these watch payments will be my go-to payment method. The best thing is, it doesn't require any charge or battery power. You can change between multiple accounts within SBI. It's safe and secure. At any point in time, you can enable or disable the payments with a single click right from the YONO app. But like everything, even this has few caveats. The Titan Pay watch strap currently supports SBI accounts only. Hope other banks also adopt such cool tech. Contactless payments can only be made with the POS machines that support NFC. Only 14, 20 and 22 mm strap sizes are supported as of now. And one more important thing for this to work is, account mein balance hona zaruri hai.